Hello everyone, today in this video we are going to see signs and symptoms to be reported while caring for cancer patients. Here is a case of a patient who is having blood cancer, which is also known as leukemia. Hello miss, how are you feeling now?
I am feeling better now.
Okay, I am here for your daily checkup. Okay. Uh, Miss, do you feel any weight loss is there in your body?
Yes.
Okay. Do you have any bleeding which is unexplainable?
Yes.
Okay. Now I will look for lumps are there on your body or not. Okay, there are some minor signs of lumps. Miss, do you feel shortness of breath is there or not?
Sometimes.
Do you feel night sweats or not?
No.
Cancer is a disease which lower your immunity power. So, do you feel any infectious symptoms are there on your body or not?
No.
Do you have recurrent fevers or not?
Yes.
Okay. Miss, do you feel unexplainable pain in your joints sometimes or not?
Yes. Sometimes.
Do you feel tiredness or sleepiness in
Yes.
whole day?
Yes.
Okay. And one peculiar symptom of blood cancer is a pale complexion of the skin. Okay, now I'll check the skin. Some pale complexion is looking. Miss, do you have any family history related to cancer?
No.
Okay. Miss, what about your diet? Is there any fullness of stomach you experience?
Yes.
Always?
Yes.
Miss, do you have an increased exposure to chemicals or radiations?
Yes.
Miss, do you have habits of smoking and alcohol consumption?
No.
Okay. Now we will see some early symptoms of cancer. First is oral cancer. In this cancer, we can see redness in the lips and lumps in the lips. Second, in case of lung cancer, we can see persistent coughing and persistent weight loss is there. In lung cancer, patient is frequently exposed to breathing problems. Third is a case of a stomach cancer. In this, we can see fullness of stomach, stomach pain, and heartburn. In case of colorectal cancer, we can see uh, change in bowel movement, blood in feces, and symptoms of diarrhea and constipation. In case of prostate cancer, we can see pain while urination uh, and blood in the urine. In case of breast cancer, we can see lumps in the breast and blood through the nipples. And at last, early detection of cancer provide promising cure and better chance of survival. There are generally four stages of cancer. First stage is the early stage. In this stage, cancer tumors are grown in a particular tissue only. In second or third stage, or we can call it as late stage, we can see cancer tumors start spreading in the whole body. Last is the metastatic stage or fourth stage. In this stage, cancer tumors are reached the vital organs and affected them. How cancer can be early diagnosed? First is blood test by cancer markers. Second is biopsy, and then is genetic test for mutation. How cancer can be treated? First, by surgery, by removal of the tumors of the affected area. Second, chemotherapy, destroying the cancer tumors with the help of chemicals. And last is the combination treatment in which we use chemotherapy as well as radiation therapy. How can we reduce the risk of cancer? First of all is a healthy diet, regular screening test for early detection of cancer, maintaining a healthy weight, and protecting the skin from the harmful UV rays. That's all for this video. Thank you.